students. Okay, so this is part, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this saga of the mice. So today we woke up and we saw this here. We're like, what is that? What are these pieces of whatever? What is this doing here? So we started to look around and we moved some furniture in the kitchen here and we cleaned because we were trying to clean. And we saw this pile. Look at this. And this is something that the mice did overnight, or the mouse, or maybe in 2 days. So do you know what that is? At first we didn't know. What the heck's this string doing here? Anyway, first we weren't sure. We're like, what is that? We're thinking it looks like sunflower seed edges. Well, of course, this is some mouse poop, but that looked like sunflower seeds, right? And we're like, well, we don't have sunflower seeds, so where are they getting the sunflower seeds? Why are they hoarding them here? And we just kept thinking and trying to follow along. We're following the little mouse poops here. And then we realized something, that they did the same thing over here on the kitchen counter. Look. And then we realized this must be a sunflower seed plant. We didn't even know it. Because we order food from this company called Loofah that delivers every week. And if we don't tell them exactly what we want, they just send us random stuff. So, like plants that we don't even know what they are. Just different vegetables. It's like, okay, this is a vegetable, let's eat it. And we just throw things in salads and whatever. So this one, it came with some earth in there. So I just wasn't ready to eat it yet. And because it just came 2 days ago. So we just gave a bit of water and just leave it on the counter. And then, look, if you look, you see this is attached. This is attached. So this must be a sunflower seed plant, I'm guessing, unless you guys know. Maybe somebody knows. I mean, I don't know that much about all these different plants. Which just goes to show us how little we actually know about the food that we eat and where it comes from. I did not know that this was a sunflower seed plant. Some of you probably did, but not me. So I guess what they were doing is coming and taking these bits off and being super excited that they got a sunflower seed. I don't know. Is that what it is? And then they were like running over to their corner and just like hoarding them there and just like having a grand old time just eating. Now, where are these mice right now? They must be close by. Maybe there's just one. But like I said, our goal in my last video, I was saying our goal is to catch the mice and release them. It's nice and warm out now in the summer. And this is our little trap that we devised, but they already managed to go on here and fall in there and then crawl back up the side. So this was not a good idea. It's too porous here, I guess, for them. Almost like a little staircase, really, I guess. And yeah, and we had also given them actual sunflower seeds in that one that come from our just regular stock of sunflower seeds from this bag here. This is what we were feeding them, but I guess these come from this. Anyway, it's a whole mystery, very exciting news, very exciting for us to try to figure out what's going on. And we are going to get to the bottom of this because we love animals. We don't want to hurt animals, but at the same time, we just don't want mice in our house. It's not the best for them either. They need to be outside in the fresh air, running around in the grass. And they are probably looking forward to finding their way out of here. They just don't know how to get out. They got into the house by accident in the fall, probably to try to stay warm. And they're probably trying to find their way out, but our doors are always closed. So I don't know how they got in the first place, but we are determined to get rid of all the mice in our house and have a happy life and let them have a happy life. But we don't want to hurt them. So thanks for watching. If you have any ideas, write them in the comment section. If you have any links to videos, we haven't really spent enough time Googling yet, but we're going to make sure that we find a humane way to catch them without breaking their necks. We're not going to be using traps that are glue traps because that would be a torturous end to their lives. Remember also, if you ever do get traps like this type, that you make sure you put them in a location where you will check every single day, several times a day, because if you catch them in there and then they stay there for a long time, well, that's torture. That's really sad. The idea is you want to catch the mice and immediately put them into some sort of a different container where they can be safe. We have this here ready to go, and or put them outside as soon as you can. And here's another look at Bella for those of you who love to see Bella. Bella's having a little nap on the couch. Soon we're going to go and play in the lake. Bye, everyone. Do, 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 do.